are you doing, bro? Bro, what are you doing? That thing cracked me up, bro. It always gets stuck and then it starts whining with a little alert warning. Okay, YouTube, so what we have here is called acne keloidalis nuchae. I'm reading it right now. So basically, this happens when barbers shave the back of your neck with those box razors, like, the shavers, or a razor blade. In this case, he told me that his old barber used to use that a lot on the back of his neck, and that's how it formed. And it can get worse over time. His was actually used to be way worse. Like, it used to bleed when I used to cut it. Now it has gotten better because his dermatologist, because he asked me, what should I do, Ken? Like, when he started coming to me, I said, look, man, I know I have a lot of knowledge with other stuff, but this one I'm unsure of. So I recommended him to just go to a dermatologist. He found one, and they prescribed him this treatment right here. I'm gonna link it on the screen. You'll see it somewhere on the screen. Use that and it should get better. It'll take time. You may have to woof and not get haircuts, or get the haircut below, like get the fade way lower than where the bumps are. But that's what my client used, and trust me, it's improved a lot. It used to be extremely worse. It used to bleed all the time, but it's gotten better. So I'm loving the progress. So yeah, hope it works for you guys. YouTube, I'm picky, man. I don't know about y'all, but I can't use the same cape on every haircut. I like colorful capes, extremely colorful capes. I can't do no basic black or white cape. Got a silk gray one right here, the pink one. These are the ones I'm rocking with today. Blue, rose gold, gold. So with a gray background, colors like this pop, as you can see. Anyways, let's get back to the cuts. And by the way, this client is getting dreadlocks, so that's why I'm cutting it accordingly. I'm shaving it all the way up. He wants it like this. So I don't want you guys saying, oh, why are you still shaving the front? I don't do that anymore. But since he's getting his hair dreaded, I'm cutting it accordingly to that style so that it will hang over. Got it? Cool. YouTube, I'm tired, man. Yesterday I hit squats. My legs is killing me. But anyway, I got my boy Reggie in the chair. What's your channel, Reggie?
BV Wavy, yo. Go subscribe, yo.
Let's get it. So I usually cut it down to a 2. You getting the fade on the sides?
Yeah.
Taper on the sides and the back. Let's do it. Alright, YouTube, he said he wants a high taper. Trim the top and the front. Let's do it. YouTube just got done cutting for the day. I'm really low on energy. I'm tired. I'm just not feeling that well today. I ain't got much for y'all today, man. I'm low on energy. I feel like I need some more sleep. I'm a little sleep deprived editing these vlogs out for y'all. But yeah, let's get some food. I think it has to do with the weather too. It's disgusting outside. But as they say, April showers brings May flowers. But I want to take a moment to talk about success. Basically, everyone has their own version of success. This is something that, shout out Yo Finds. Yo Finds really put it into perspective for me. So shout out Yo Finds. You could be successful by just being the traditional barber, you know, just cut hair, no social media, just cutting. You can be a celebrity barber, you can be an educator, you can be an Instagram barber, a TikTok barber, a YouTube barber, a traveling barber, like a house call, strictly house call barber. You could be a barber that's on set, on movie sets, stuff like that. There's just so many different lanes of success. And this is within any industry. So I want you guys to just think, what do you want your version of success to be in regards to your career within the barber industry? So what path? Comment down below what path you want to go down. Do you want to be the celebrity barber? Do you want to be just a traditional barber? Me personally, I've cut celebrities, I've cut athletes. It's not my thing. I'm gonna be honest, it's not my thing. I feel like my lane is YouTube. But yeah, this is just some food for thought. I just wanted to drop in real quick and say that. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and yeah, let's go. Alright, YouTube, so we got see. Food was pretty good. I know a lot of y'all probably are wondering, oh, why are you in there eating by yourself? I sometimes genuinely do go to restaurants to eat by myself, but a lot of times these restaurants, when you order takeout of the same meal, the quality just isn't there. So a lot of times I'll just sacrifice some time just to sit in there and eat by myself, just to have a good meal. But anyways, YouTube, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I know I was low on energy. I don't apologize. There's days that I'm like this. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow my Instagram at the 4th Ken. I'm out. Peace.